So, we have taken a trip today to the tattoo shop. And I got a computer. Well, actually, it's just a case, but come on, let's go. This place, if you're anywhere near New Jersey and you need a tattoo, this is where you need to be comfortable.
For not letting me know anything.
Happy birthday. I got 2 hugs in a row there.
Hi, Steve.
Hello.
We dragged my buddy Bill here to get a tattoo from Denise, who is in training. Is that the term? Apprenticing. And Denise's work is awesome. This is the first tattoo Denise ever did. And it was for me, and it was a damn honor. One of the guys you learn under has been my tattoo artist for 9-10 years. So it's been really cool. Denise has been the first person to tattoo me other than him in that time. What else? What other backstory is there?
Phoenix Theory.
Phoenix Theory.
That's where we
That's where we really connected and met. And so I had an art gallery. And Denise was a member of the collective and helped me, and about a year of doing that, and then some art shows after. And we need to do another art show.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I would like to bring that back and do something with that. That's Bergen Pat to you.
Bergen Pat?
100%.
I was like, the door opened, I was like, oh, that must be Bill. And then she's like, what the fuck? It's you guys are assholes for not letting me know you're coming by.
I have a plan to get you a new computer.
I'm up for it.
Okay, cool. We were like, Denise, do you want to like get to work and do your tattoo, or do you want to open this? And she's like, I want to open it.
Priorities.
Priorities, yeah.
No. I want to see it too.
You're okay with waiting, right?
Wait, you've never opened it before?
Nope, haven't even opened it.
And he was tempted.
You should. I don't know how to take this out.
Is it just a piece?
Bill, help her.
I don't know how to take it out.
Really? Hold the box while she pulls it. Come on, you guys.
Dude, you have to bring my computer to me. Like. What, full size?
Oh wow, the screws are pink too.
Wow, that is awesome.
Ooh, set it down, flip it around, let's see. Oh, nice tint on the glass.
Oh.
Tinted. So this is an ATX chassis, but it's kind of like a short top. Use a pretty compact layout. So here's my plan. Denise is paying off her tattoo apprenticeship and working extra jobs and this and that and building a clientele and really likes PC gaming but doesn't have the extra dough for a PC right now.
Nasty league player at that.
She is a nasty league player. She plays a mean support.
I'm a good support.
You're a really good support. Stop.
She's underselling herself.
So my thought was we could display this for you with a nice message that says, please leave tips for Denise's new PC. And eventually, this PC will be built by the generosity of your customers.
Word.
Because let's face it, who doesn't want you to have a PC for gaming?
So cute. I was just talking to Alistair about the games I don't play on my Mac.
Yeah, which is pretty much games.
Yes, in general.
Yeah.
But like I said, I had a Mac, and it served its purpose, and it kept me away from video games, and I was able to be productive.
And you're an artist. Macs are good computers for artists.
Yeah. But now that I'm exactly where I want to be, now I want to start playing some real games.
Nice. And I mean, we can definitely make this a work-related computer too, for like Photoshop and some solid-state drive space and backup. You know, we'll see where time takes us. And I was tempted to like cut a hole in the top like a piggy bank, so people could drop money in, but then I'm putting a big hole in the top of your case. I kind of like it.
I really like it.
Actually, look at it. So it's basically like 303, which is what I have, but they flatten the top, they put the power supply back sideways, and they threw the drive cages up top too. It's really interesting.
Yeah.
These cases, what I really like about them is they have a bottom up intake, which is pretty darn effective and lets you have these nice, you know, closed off side panels because your bottom panel's all open. There you go. Happy birthday.
Thanks, guys. You guys are the best.
Oh, thank you. That was awesome. Oh, interesting.
Okay.
You got it? You want to do it? It's satisfying. Just pulls right out like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's how you work on it. We got 3 120s in,
Yo, I'm
3 120s out.
Whose camera is that? T's?
This is my phone. I just got a new phone. For the purpose of filming good videos. I just noticed this. I didn't know this about the case. That's the power button. That's pretty fresh. So when people want to donate, they just have to pull the tabs, drop some money in there, and close that baby up.
Yeah, right? Sorry.
And we'll have to put a nice, oh, you dripped all over it, really?
I did. T and Ollie.
Oh, Bill's here. Again, I left out.
I don't know. I've never met you, so I was just curious.
So here's the idea. This is Denise's new tip jar. Got it? And this is how we're building Denise a computer. So, come to Art in Motion. So that's a day at the tattoo shop. Thanks for checking out Denise's work. PollyTech, over and out.
Alright, I'm bored.
You could stop.